Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. So as a continuation on these DNA heads, I just wanted to show you how the procedure of how I tackle the inside of the chambers. But first I just wanted to sort of say that if this content is something that you enjoy, or if it's not what you enjoy, then just let me know. If I'm doing it wrong, then let me know. If you're enjoying it, then maybe give me a like and a follow, because at the end of the day it really helps, and I really love doing this sort of stuff, and it's something that I really want to continue with. So if it's something you guys enjoy, then I'd really appreciate the support. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my other glasses, and we're going to get up and personal with the chamber so you can see what's going on. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is give ourselves a little bit of light. So as you can see, we have got a lot of flashing here, a lot of issues inside this chamber, as well as the sides. So the first thing for me is I'm going to use this little Dremel piece here. It's got a little carbide bit on the bottom, and all we're going to do is we're going to tackle this bit down here. We could tackle it from the top, but it's long enough for me to reach down. So this is actually pretty bad. I've never seen flashing this bad on this cylinder before. So okay, so we're a little bit there. So we're going to tackle a bit of the side. Going to steady it with 2 hands. Get back down the bottom. Okay, so here's what we've done. We have modified this onto this, which is on this, which is not a Dremel because I'm cheap. And this is a much better way to get inside everything. As you can see, we've already walked through this, so you can see the casting marks here, and you can see where the top of the oh my god, my brain. So you can see where the top of the valve seat sits in there. So yeah, we're going to crack on. See how much better it is? It's in so much further than the Ryobi. The other thing is, I've taken my glasses off and put the metas on to record. But what I've done is, I've blinded myself because I can't see without my glasses. So that's not good. So I could just be grinding away all of the aluminium, leaving nothing. See, the casting on here is not great. Alright, we've got 80 grit flat. All right, I would say I am happy with where the cylinders are at the moment. As you can see, this is the one that we were working on today. So all the chambers have been done. Paying close attention to not getting rid of this sort of little lip here. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. Let me just yank the next one up. Okay, move this out of the way. You move out the way. You move out the way. Thank you. Okay, so same with this. Again, this is the first time I've ever done this, so we're sort of learning. You know, it's like it's not ever going to be perfect, but you know, we're attempting something that we've never done before, which teaches us a lesson. And you know, this is what this truck is about. It's about teaching me a lesson, and just, you know, adding extra strings to the bow, because you know, if you don't do these things and you don't fail and you don't learn, then you're just going to be, you know, you're not going to learn anything. So to literally just go and do it, I would definitely say just do it, you know, regardless, because you're going to learn something. So obviously we've got to do this as well, but once I get the valves in, I'll do that, because obviously it will protect the valves and the chambers. But yeah, I'm really happy. All right, so that was a quick little video of how I approach the port and polish on these DNA heads. Didn't take very long. It probably took, I don't know, you probably want to spend an hour on each chamber, front and back. So altogether, 8, 10, 12 hours maybe, if you want to get it really perfect. I've got to go back and polish them, and I've got to do the gaskets, but other than that, these heads are pretty good. I'll be really happy with these. Again, I didn't know what I was doing. I just bought the products, you know, bought this little cartridge roll and had the grinder and stuff. So again, taught myself how to do it, and now I'll be able to do it because it's something that I really enjoy. And this whole truck is the thing that sort of makes me want to continue doing these videos, because it's exciting and it teaches me things, and it helps me then show other people how to do these things, even though I don't really know what I'm doing. So thank you again for sort of tuning in. I'd really appreciate if you guys would just you know, give it a thumbs up and, you know, do the rest of it, because it really helps with trying to make more videos, and it encourages the person making those videos to, you know, continue doing the things that they really enjoy. Anyway, I will see you in the next video, and again, thank you very much.